popping a daily incense every day until I catch a Galarian bird. Day 10. This is double upload because, well, I didn't do my daily incense video yesterday, and I had to push this today. But we did get something good today, and you'll see what it is. Let's get right into it. Boom, we got a Galarian Articuno. We're going to quick grab it and go for the Ultra Ball. We're going to try to set up the excellent throw, and hopefully we can maybe catch him. Just going to wait for it to dodge. It dodges, and we missed the excellent, which is kind of sad, and it's going to not even shake, and yeah, it's gone. Dang it. We got 12 Pokemon, and sadly, the Galarian Articuno ran.